This video walkthrough will deal with how to set up articles through the Article Manager. If you watch the previous videos, you've just learned how to set up authors and topics to assist in setting articles up. If you haven't already watched those videos, it is recommended to view those before you go through this process. In order to set up articles, you'll need to click on Article Manager in the left-hand menu, and then in Topics and Articles. To create a new article, we need to make sure first of all that we have a topic set up, which in this case we do, the test topic from our last video. What we're going to do is click on the folder next to test topic so we can go into that topic. And then once you are in the topic, you create the article once you're inside that topic. To do that, we'll click the new article button on the right hand side. In the new article screen, we'll go through these options one by one to get a bit of an idea of what they're in aid of. Article status, draft and published, is fairly straightforward. Published is what you need to select if you wish the article to display on the site. Date expected, you can future date articles if you wish. We're just going to put it in as of today's date. The author drop-down menu will have all of the authors you've previously set up listed here. So here's the one that we set up in our test run through before. Article name is again pretty straightforward. It's just the name of the article itself. The page title, again generally I'll just keep that exactly the same. Meta description and meta keywords you can place in here if you want to list meta information. Meta description is just a short description of the article. Meta keywords are keywords that you want people to be searching on to help to find this article. So yeah, meta description is basically a chunk of text like written out in sentences, whereas keywords is just a series of keywords separated by spaces. And then of course in the big box you've got article content, which is just the body of your actual article. Now in this field you've got all the normal options available to you in terms of editing text, adding images, adding links, all of those sorts of things that you normally have through pages are all available to you here. In this case, all we're going to do is just make it a little bit bigger. Once you've gone through and you're happy with all the content that you've got listed there, in the bottom right hand corner you'll see the preview button. And here we go. You can see the header, test article. Here's our body, a bit of information about when it was actually added. If we're again happy with how that looks, we can just click the insert button on the right hand side. And so there we're taken back to the topics and articles screen now, and you can see our test article. Now let's just take a quick look at the website and we can see what that looks like. You can see there were no articles set up there. We're just going to do a quick refresh. And here you go, test article by the author, time it's published, and the topic that it is contained in. If we click on the actual article title, there we go, that's the article there. If we click back again, people can also then search by author or click into the topic to see what else is there. And that's the way that will display on the front end. That concludes this part of the walkthrough.